Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever been stopped in your tracks by the World of Tanks error code, E00L07? It's an error that pops up when players attempt to log in or launch the game, leaving you stuck at the starting line. The message reads, "Service is not available. Please try again later," which can be an unwelcome surprise when you're ready to roll out. This error often rears its head during weekly server maintenance. It's a routine process, necessary to keep the game running smoothly. However, it also means you might have to pause your tank battles for a while. Typically, this interruption shouldn't last more than a couple of hours. Now, if you're facing this error, there's no need for alarm. It's a common server-side issue that arises due to the ongoing server maintenance. Our research indicates that the error usually resolves itself within a few hours, so a bit of patience can often be the best solution. However, if you've waited out a couple of hours and the error persists, try rebooting your device and checking again. If you're still meeting with the error, it might be time to check if your game needs an update. In the off chance that the error still remains stubbornly in place, it's likely that the servers are taking a longer than usual time to get back on track. In such cases, your best bet is to wait it out a bit more. To recap, the World of Tanks error code, E00L07, is a common error that occurs during server maintenance. It's typically a short-term issue that resolves itself within a few hours. If it persists, try rebooting your device, checking for game updates, or simply waiting a bit longer. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.